Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circular and Optical video, I'll show you one way to draw a room using one-point perspective. In this drawing, we're looking straight ahead at the back wall of a room. The first step is to draw a horizontal line across your page. And then draw a dot in the center of this line for the single vanishing point. The next step is to draw the back wall of the room, a simple rectangle which goes around the vanishing point. Next, we can draw 4 diagonal lines from the vanishing point as guidelines, going to the corners of the rectangle and then extending beyond the corners of the rectangle to create the 4 walls of the room. The 2 sides of the room, the ceiling, and the floor. Next, we can add some furniture to this room in one-point perspective. Start by drawing the baseline of a sofa, which is below the baseline of the back wall of the room. Then draw the sides of the sofa, and then we can use the vanishing point for the receding edges of the sofa, so that we get the effect of one-point perspective, which creates the illusion of depth in objects which are receding directly away from us, the viewer. It's best if one side of the furniture is parallel to the horizontal line that we drew first of all. To draw another sofa on the left of the room, start by drawing the near side of the sofa up against the wall, and then we can use the vanishing point for the receding lines of the sofa so that we can create some depth to the sofa. Once you have the basic shapes of these pieces of furniture, you could add details like sofa legs or cushions as you go along. Keep checking your drawing in relation to the receding lines, which need to go towards the vanishing point in the center of the drawing. Next, on the right-hand side of the room, we could draw a bookcase. Again, start by drawing the side of the bookcase up against the wall, and then use a single vanishing point to draw the receding lines of the bookcase, of the shelves in the bookcase, and the TV screen. The back window in this drawing will just be a series of rectangles, as the window is not receding from us, it's not going away from us or coming towards us, it's just face on. It's at a fixed distance from us, the viewer. If you'd like to learn more about drawing and drawing in perspective, please visit my website circularartschool.com, where you'll find full details of my online drawing courses for beginners. You could also subscribe to keep up to date with all the content that I make. I post a new video each week. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful, and see you next time.